guys, I'm Jillian. Welcome to Apex Overland. We are an off-road and overland shop in Reidsville, North Carolina. Let me show you around. Welcome to our showroom. This area right here is where I hang out, ready to take your call and to talk about or plan out your build. We keep in stock some of our most popular items from recovery gear. We also have some roof rack mounting and accessories, Blue Ridge overland gear for organizing all of your stuff, Dometic for your fridges, keep your food cold. We also have some camping gear and lighting options in this room. What many people don't know is we keep suspensions in stock for faster turnarounds of your build, and we also have rooftop tents and other larger items like armor and skid plates and sliders in the back. Now let me show you the shop. In the shop here, we have 6 bays where we do everything from suspension installs, alignments, wheels and tires. We also install roof racks, lighting, electrical, dual battery, solar systems, that kind of thing. We are also the East Coast authorized installer for Go Fast campers, so we do quite a few of those. We have welding and fabrication services. We offer a little bit of everything between custom fabrication of trailers, custom brackets and mounts, and then full buggy builds. And again, I'm Jillian with Apex Overland. You can reach out to us via sales@apexoverland.com for all of your off-roading and overland needs. And thank you, Blue Ridge Overland Gear, for hosting this tour of our shop.